even with his shows and stuff. Like he's very perfectionist and very serious. Like the
Gonna
day
wait
of
for
shows.
this
Like
to run out.
he's super fun guy, really awesome dude. Yeah.
No. Because it's gonna run out. Like, basically, you should get to holy fire hit. It's my hit.
Martin Garrix, one of the few people that actually, Martin Garrix started his career ghost producing for other artists. Bet you didn't know that. Martin Garrix, the whole early stages of Martin Garrix's career was him actually ghost producing for other artists while he was like 14 years old. Yeah, Martin Garrix is pretty fucking super talented. Super talented guy.
Resist. Hit.
I would wager both. I would wager more techno artists write their own music. Grays for days, dude. Oh, Andrew Tate just tipped $50. You think about the best class all wrong, change your thinking. 5D chess. Wait, what the hell was that, dude? Andrew Tate. Thank you. Here, I can't. Let me see if I can copy this. How do I copy? All right, one sec. Guys, welcome to the stream. We're talking about ghost production because people were asking me about my ghost production in the past. Let me, all right, one sec. Watch. Question mark.
This is it.
Do I have any mods that can just grab that? I don't know how to do it. Guys, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream.
This is it. Come on.
Andrew, did you make this YouTube channel right now?
Let's
Did you make this YouTube channel
go.
just to post this?
Easy peasy, no sweat. Bro, if you could hear my heart right now, it's pumping like crazy, dude.
Anyway.
For the Bugatti.
This is when it gets scary. It was 1.6 health. 1.6k. Health. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this, hit F. I have one large copper still. I have T dummies. I'm doing so much. D-plague. Shield. Bomb. Mind blast. Dummy. Heal. Oh. Do I have to fear here? Fear. Good trajectory. Just keep hitting. If that pulls, it doesn't. Oh, I'm fine. Oh, I'm fine, baby. Oh, let's go, baby!